Good morning, students. Today we will start second part, Coorg, and the name of the chapter is Glimpses of India. Coorg. Coorg is coffee country famous for its rainforests and spices. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Coorg is midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. This land of rolling hills is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is home of evergreen forest, spices, and coffee plantations. So, this land of rolling hills is also known as Kodagu. It is a piece of heaven fallen from the kingdom of God. It has evergreen rainforests, spices, and coffee plantations. Coorg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home of evergreen rainforest, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. Evergreen rainforest, they cover 30% of this district. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. During the monsoon, it rains so heavily that tourists do not visit Coorg. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measure. The air breeze of invigorating coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. The air breeze of coffee. The best season for tourists is from September to March, and the air breeze of coffee. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows are scattered around the forests. The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. These people married amongst the locals, and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavas known as kufiya. It resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So, the people of Coorg are possibly of Greek and Arabic descent. It is said that a part of Alexander's army settled here. Their culture and traditions are different and from the Hindu mainstream. According to another theory, they are of Arab origin. Their long black coats with embroidered waist belts resemble the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So, Coorg is the smallest town. Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. This land of rolling hills is also known as Kodagu. It is a piece of heaven fallen from the kingdom of God. It has evergreen forest, spices and coffee. This adds to its beauty. Then its people of Arabic descent are men of valor and its women are beautiful. Their culture lies in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites. Nature is in its pristine glory together with the wildlife. With these features, Coorg is a place of great tourist interest. So now we will do one extract. Coorg corners. Our first question is Kodagu is the smallest district of Karnataka. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and the last one is Telangana. Coorg, second question. Coorg is famous for rainforest, spices and coffee. Rainforests, spices and coffee. Second option, rainforest, sugar cane and coffee. Next option, rainforest, spices and wheat. And next option is rainforest, coffee and barley. Question number 3. The pleasant season continues and option from October to March. Second option, from September to March. Next option, from August to March. And last option, from July to March. in. Question number 4. Fill in the right word. The air breathes of dash coffee. So you will do these questions in your notebook.